What if I told you your car could feel brand new again? With more power, smoother acceleration, and even better fuel economy, using just one simple tool you can buy for less than $50. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Most drivers are unknowingly choking their engines, leaving horsepower and efficiency trapped under layers of dirt, carbon, and neglect. And the worst part? You don't need to be a mechanic to fix it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore engine power, improve throttle response, and protect your engine from future damage. All with one tool and a little bit of know-how. Stick with me, because step number 4 is what most people always get wrong, and it could be costing you hundreds of dollars in wasted fuel. Why your engine loses power over time. Even if you religiously change your oil and keep your car maintained, you've probably noticed something. Your engine just doesn't feel as strong as it did when it was new. The acceleration is sluggish, the fuel economy has dropped, and maybe it idles a little rough. The main culprit: carbon buildup. Over time, carbon deposits form on your intake valves, throttle body, combustion chambers, and even sensors like the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. This buildup restricts airflow, interferes with fuel atomization, and confuses your engine computer, forcing it to run rich and robbing you of power. Modern engines, especially direct injection ones, are more prone to this problem because fuel doesn't wash over the intake valves like it used to. That means you could have 20 to 30 horsepower just sitting there, waiting to be freed, and you don't even know it. The one tool that changes everything. So what's the magic tool? It's an OBD2 scanner with live data capability. Wait, how can a scanner restore power? Because it tells you exactly where your engine is losing efficiency in real time. This tool plugs into your car's OBD2 port and communicates directly with your engine's computer. It reads sensor data like air-fuel ratios, MAF readings, O2 sensor efficiency, throttle position, and ignition timing. Using this information, you can identify clogged air filters, lazy O2 sensors, fouled spark plugs, or even a failing catalytic converter, all of which steal horsepower. And here's the kicker. Many of these issues don't trigger a check engine light right away. That means your car could be running below peak performance for months or even years without you realizing it. Step 1. Scan for trouble codes. First, plug in your scanner and scan for any stored or pending trouble codes. Even if your dashboard isn't lit up like a Christmas tree, there might be pending codes indicating something's off. For example, P0171 or P0174, lean fuel mixture, often caused by vacuum leaks or a dirty MAF. P0300 to P0308, misfires, often linked to fouled spark plugs or weak ignition coils. P0420, catalytic converter efficiency below threshold, which could mean back pressure is hurting engine breathing. If you see these, you've already found where power is being lost. Step 2. Read live data. Now this is where the magic happens. Switch your scanner to live data mode and look for key readings. MAF. Sensor. At idle, a healthy reading is about 2 to 7 grams per second, depending on engine size. Low readings mean restricted airflow, often from a dirty MAF sensor or clogged air filter. Short-term fuel trim, STFT. Ideally, this should hover near 0%. If it's consistently positive, your engine is compensating for a lean condition. Throttle position, TPS. If your throttle isn't opening fully or responding quickly, your electronic throttle body may be dirty or failing. The scanner doesn't just tell you something's wrong, it tells you exactly where to start looking, saving you hours of guesswork and hundreds of dollars at the shop. Step 3. Address the EasyFixes first. If your scanner shows a low MAF reading, take out your MAF sensor and clean it with MAF-specific cleaner. This alone can restore throttle response and fuel economy instantly. If your throttle position sensor readings seem erratic, clean the throttle body using throttle body cleaner. Carbon buildup around the throttle plate often causes poor idle and hesitation. Cleaning it can feel like adding 10 horsepower back to your car. Air filter clogged? Replace it. Spark plugs fouled? Swap them. These are low-cost, high-reward fixes you can do in your driveway. And they work because you're diagnosing with data, not guessing. Step 4. Reset and relearn. After fixing issues, clear any codes and reset the engine's adaptive memory using your scanner. This forces your engine control module, ECM, To relearn fuel trims and ignition timing with the clean sensors and restored airflow. This is the step many people skip. They clean things but never reset the ECM, so the car continues to run on old habits, and the improvements feel minimal. Once reset, take your car for a 10 to 15 minute drive at varying speeds. You'll feel the difference almost immediately. Quicker throttle response, smoother idle, and even quieter operation. Step 5. Check long-term trends. Your OBD2 scanner isn't just a one-time power restorer. It's your ongoing health monitor. After your fixes and reset, continue checking data periodically. Fuel trims should stabilize between -5% and +5%. If they drift outside that range again, you may have a vacuum leak or clogged injector. O2 sensors. These should switch rapidly between high and low voltage when warmed up, indicating efficient combustion. A slow switching O2 sensor means poor fuel efficiency and sluggish performance. Catalytic converter efficiency. Use your scanner to check temperature or voltage differences between upstream and downstream sensors. A clogged catalytic converter robs your engine of horsepower and increases back pressure. By monitoring trends, you'll catch small problems before they become expensive repairs, keeping your engine at peak power for years to come. Real-world example. One driver complained his car was sluggish, especially when merging on highways. No check engine light. We hooked up an OBD2 scanner and immediately saw the MAF reading was abnormally low. After removing the MAF sensor, it was visibly dirty. A quick clean, a throttle body scrub, and a reset later, the car drove like new, with restored acceleration and a noticeable bump in fuel economy. This entire fix cost $10 for cleaner spray and 30 minutes of work. All thanks to one simple tool revealing what the dashboard never told us. The psychological factor. Why most drivers ignore this. Why don't more people use an OBD2 scanner? 2 reasons. They assume it's only for mechanics. In reality, these tools are easy to use with plug-and-play apps on your phone. They fear bad news. Many drivers don't want to find out something is wrong, so they live with reduced power and poor fuel economy. But think about it. Isn't it better to know what's wrong before it becomes catastrophic? Most issues, dirty sensors, air leaks, minor misfires, can be fixed for under $50. Waiting until the check engine light flashes usually means hundreds or thousands in repairs. Bonus tip. Pairing with a simple cleaning tool. While the scanner identifies the issue, adding one more affordable tool to your arsenal makes this even easier. A fuel system cleaning kit. These hook directly to your fuel rail and flush deposits in injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Many professionals use them, but DIY kits are widely available for under $40. Combined with your scanner, this setup gives you a powerful 1-2 punch. Diagnose and clean. The result: a smoother, stronger engine with restored efficiency and reliability. Why mechanics won't tell you this? You might wonder, if this is so effective, why don't mechanics tell customers to just buy an OBD2 scanner? Simple, because diagnostic labor is a big revenue stream. Many shops charge $80 to $150 just to scan codes, something you can do at home for free once you own the tool. Plus, if you keep your engine running efficiently with preventative diagnostics, you're far less likely to pay for major repairs like injector replacements, catalytic converters, or expensive electrical diagnostics. This isn't to say shops are dishonest. They need to make a living. But by empowering yourself, you save big money and get that lost horsepower back without the middleman. The final payoff. Imagine this. You spend $50 on a scanner, $10 on cleaning products, and 30 to 60 minutes scanning, cleaning, and resetting. The results: faster throttle response, better fuel economy. Some drivers report 5 to 10% gains. Smoother idling and quieter operation. An engine that feels years younger. All without paying a shop hundreds for diagnostics or performance cleaning. The challenge for you. Here's my challenge. Buy or borrow an OBD2 scanner this week. Check your car's live data and look for anything abnormal. Low MAF readings, high fuel trims, slow O2 sensors. Fix what you find, reset the ECM, and report back. Drop a comment below. What did you discover? How much better did your car feel after? Your story might help someone else save thousands and restore their car's lost power. Final thought. Your car doesn't have to feel old or weak just because it has miles on it. Often the power is still there, hidden behind clogged sensors, dirty airflow paths, and incorrect fuel trim corrections. And thanks to one simple tool, you can unlock it all, fast, cheap, and without advanced mechanical skills.